It is wholesome and meaningful to, to have control over your behavior because our actions reflect the purity of our intentions. It is wise to speak mindfully, for words have the power to heal or to harm. It is beneficial to keep the mind steady and disciplined, as the mind is the source of both peace and suffering. When a person maintains restraint in all three behavior, speech, and mind, that person lives according to the noble path shown by the Buddha, leading toward wisdom, peace, and liberation. Namo Buddhaya.